It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's keto bite, keto options, Chipotle and Chuys. Chipotle's has a really keto-friendly menu. They keep their ingredients limited to only the freshest, and they don't put anything in that is not essential to the recipe. No fillers or other bad things we don't like. The menu is designed by a real chef who is interested not only in filling food, but texture and flavors. You'll never even miss the tortilla. There are so many flavors waiting for you. Our recommended best keto choice: chicken, fajita vegetables, pico de gallo, Monterey Jack cheese, lettuce, cilantro, and guacamole with Tomatillo green chili salsa over the top. For meats, there's steak, Barbacoa beef, and chicken. Cheeses, Monterey Jack cheese. Vegetables, Romaine lettuce, fajita vegetables, cilantro, guacamole, or Pico de gallo. For salsas, Tomatillo green chili salsa, Tomatillo red chili salsa, and fresh tomato salsa. Beverages, water or unsweetened tea. Order the burrito bowl with any combination of the above ingredients, and you can keep going back again and again without repeating a meal for quite a while. Next in our keto options between Chipotle and Chuys is Chuys. Chuys makes every dish from scratch each day. They use fresh, never frozen ingredients. Each location gets their produce fresh every morning. They make multiple batches of salsa per day, so it's always fresh. They don't use any canned ingredients in it. So have something very few restaurants have: green chilies from Hatch Valley in New Mexico. I've been going to New Mexico for 50 years, and the thing I look forward to most is the green chilies. Hatch Valley has the perfect climate for growing the chilies. Chuys are so into their green chilies, they have a green chili festival every year during the harvest. It goes on for 3 weeks. Our recommended best keto choice: seasoned ground sirloin salad with lettuce, red cabbage, cilantro, cheddar cheese, guacamole, and Tex-Mex sauce. For meats, they have grilled shrimp, pulled white meat chicken, seasoned ground sirloin, or egg. For cheese, cheddar cheese. For vegetables, they have lettuce, tomato, onion, jalapeno, cilantro, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and red cabbage. For sauces, Tex-Mex sauce, tomato salsa, green chili sauce, boom boom sauce, creamy jalapeno sauce, and guacamole. For beverages, water or unsweet tea. The keto options at Chipotle and Chuys are enough to keep you going for days. More keto on the go ideas are coming soon, so stay tuned. And that's today's Keto Bite. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.